Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem involving number theory which is suitable for beginners. Here is the problem. The number 2 to the power of 29 has exactly 9 distinct digits. Without using a calculator, determine which digit is absent. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share your answers in the comments. Then we'll explore the solution together. Let's get started. If we try to calculate 2 to the power 29, we may use the result that 2 to the power 10 equals 1024. Note that 2 to the power 29 is 2 to the power 10 times 2 to the power 10 times 2 to the power 9, which equals 1024 times 1024 times 512. Which easily shows that the first digit is 5 and the last digit is 2. That's all we can get if we do not calculate it in details. However, to solve this problem, we may consider the modulo 9. So continue from the calculation just now, it is congruent to 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 times 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 times 5 plus 1 plus 2 mod 9. Simplifying it, we get it is congruent to 5 mod 9. Now let 2 to the power 29 be the 9-digit number A1, A2 all the way to A9. This means that 2 to the power 29 is congruent to the sum of A1, A2 all the way to A9 mod 9, which is known from the calculation just now. It is 5 mod 9. Let the missing digit be x. Now, the sum of a's and x is congruent to the sum of 0, 1, 2 all the way to 9, which is 45, and hence, it is congruent to 0 mod 9. Thus, the sum of a's is congruent to negative x, which is congruent to 5 mod 9. Therefore, x is congruent to negative 5, which is congruent to 4 mod 9. And so, x is 4. For the information, 2 to the power of 29 is 5368709112 with digit 4 missing, as proved just now. That's conclude today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more exciting math challenges in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.